originally from Hebei Textile Co Ltd. We are a yarn and fabric factory in Shijiazhuang, Hebei, China. We have 300 airjet looms, 120,000 ring spinning. Our monthly capacity for yarn is 1,000 tons. For fabric is 3 millimeters. We have many certificates such as BCI, GRS, Inditex, ISO, and so on. Our main products are polycotton poplin fabric for shirting and pocketing, polycotton twill fabric for workwear, uniform, and medical fabric, and polyviscose TR fabric used for shirting, pants, and suiting. We also do some polycotton yarn ring spinning. Welcome to send us inquiry if you have interest in our products. This is the second time for us to attend this exhibition. Because Bangladesh is a big market for our products, we want to expand our business with Bangladesh. And Bangladesh's people are very kind. Okay, that's all. Thank you.